kids. Yes, I am back again with Yellow Class. Shipra here is going to welcome you for a nice activity. As we all know that Navratri is approaching. So we have something related to Navratri in today's DIY activity. But before I start, you all know we say a small rhyme. Let us learn to fly high with Yellow Class DIY. Yes, kids, Shipra here again. And quickly we are going to move to our workstation where you will see what we are going to make today. We are going to make this puja ki thali. So this is a thali which you can prepare at home quickly the moment you feel that you need it, as we need it in the evening, in the morning, all 9 days during the Navratri. So you can quickly make it and then you can keep it also. But when you will wash it, it will be again your regular normal thali. But till the time you're not washing it, kids, it remains intact like this. So let us just tell you what all things do you need. We need thali. Any size will do. I will be quickly showing you two thalis together. Okay, so this is the bigger one which we'll do half up, and one is a complete full. So one thali basically. Then we need a newspaper, kids. To remove the extra things we will be using our newspaper. Then we need haldi. This is the regular haldi, but just take care that you take a new haldi, because the haldi which is in our spice box can have spices. So as you are kids, just be careful. Ask mama to give you a fresh haldi to make this. Very little oil. You can see I've taken very less oil. So I really need very less oil, kids. Then this is kumkum, which is easily available. Even if you don't have kumkum, you can even use rangoli colors. Even rangoli colors will do the same work. So I'm using haldi, kumkum, oil, and my plate is here. Then we just need 2-3 earbuds. Okay, and as I tell you, a tissue roll just for the sake to remove the extra things. So let us just quickly start our things, kids. What I'm going to do, this is my normal clean thali. I will just wipe it again quickly. Okay. And I will apply very less oil. So just 2-3 drops. Not more than that is needed. Okay. We are done. And we'll apply oil here. This is the regular vegetable oil, or any oil will do. I have taken the regular vegetable oil we use for cooking. You can even take coconut oil, you can take almond oil, any oil. We just need few drops, kids. And this is done. I will again wipe my hands. And now taking care that this is the half of my thali. So I am applying on the half side, I am just applying haldi. Okay, I am just pouring my haldi properly. You can just now pat it like this. Till that line where you can see I have drawn an imaginary line. This is my imaginary line. So just pat it nicely. So once your patting is done, you can just dab it like this so that the portions which are little empty can have it, and even the extra will come out and the rest will stick to it. Okay, and what I will do, I will remove now my extra haldi like this by just dabbing it here. So you can see I have a good layer of haldi here, but now this line is still left. So I will quickly do this also with the same haldi which I have just dusted out from this plate, so that my plate has proper haldi everywhere. Again, I will once again dust it, and then we'll move to the other side, kids. Okay, this is done. Okay, again we'll dab it, and now we'll again just tap it here nicely, and you can see our half haldi has been done. Kids, do remember to take a tissue paper for this activity. You will definitely requiring lot of tissue paper. Okay, now I am taking this kumkum. As I told you, you can even take your rangoli colors. So again, I am putting my kumkum here. So you can take your rangoli colors also. So this puja thali of yours, we are decorating a thali for our puja, which we do in the morning and the evenings. We do regularly also, but Navratri is a very important festival in India. India is also known as the land of festivals. So we need puja thali. So this is a quick way of making a puja thali at home. And this remains exactly like this till the time you don't wash it. The moment you will wash it, this will come out. So what I do on the first day of the Navratras only, in the morning only I prepare this and I use it regularly for the 9 days, and then I give it a wash. So my work is done on the first day only. Okay. So again we'll dab this, and this side we'll remove this. We are taking care that we are not using the same sides for the newspaper, because then also we can, later on also we can use this. Okay. We'll dab it, and we'll quickly see what our portions are left. Okay. Now we will just take care. We'll keep it in the corner this side, and we'll start decorating it. So for the decoration, we just simply need our earbud, and what we can do, we can start rotating it like this. So once we'll do with the red side, with one portion of the earbud, okay, this is done, and we can write small Om. So like in that, I have made those Lakshmi Ji's foot marks. So you all know Diwali also we have Lakshmi Ji's foot marks, and we are making swastik. So let me tell you how we are going to make swastik. Okay, I'm going to tell you again. Now I'm using the other earbud, and I'm doing this portion of the haldi one. So I've changed the earbud, kids. Just simple you can make. Okay, And any ways you can decorate it. You can write an Om. You can write a swastik. For swastik, it is like this, a small dash, then a long straight line, then a small dash, and again the same L. Okay, now again what we are going to do, we are again going to remove the extra stuff which we have. So you can see, and now I am going to make the Lakshmi marks. You can leave it like this and keep your diya and all like this. But I will tell you what you have to do. You just have to make a small question mark. Okay. We have just made a small question mark, and then we'll make 3 dots, 5 dots for the foot marks. Okay. Now again, we'll remove the extra. So you can see, same way, this one, we'll again make a question mark like this and 5 dots, kids. And our one puja thali is ready. So we can dab and remove the extra stuff again, and we can clean it. So for cleaning, what you are going to do, just be a little careful. Take a tissue paper and start removing the extras from here. Just like this. So this you have to do little carefully so that your design is not spoiled of the thali. So this is the way your one thali is ready. I will quickly show you the other one, which I am just doing with the kumkum. Okay. What I will do, I will just clean my hands and I will apply again few drops of oil. Just rub it properly, and this time I am taking the same kumkum again and I will add more. So you can just press it. So you can use the extra kumkum which you have. I'm using the same leftover kumkum, but you can make one, you can make 2, but you can use the leftover kumkum also. That's why I have separated my kumkum and haldi so that we can reuse it. We'll start spreading it like this so the extra portion also comes out to the other parts of the. So we'll just properly dab it with the kumkum properly and just pat it. We'll remove the extras and then I will quickly wipe my hands, kids. So I told you we'll be needing a lot of tissue during this activity, and with a earbud only you can make any design. This time I am making a V, and inside you can make a swastik, you can make Om, anything you can make. I'm just making simple V, kids. Okay, again we'll remove the extra. Okay, and I'm making a swastik, big swastik inside. So this is up to you, however you want to decorate it. And then you can use this thali. So wherever there is little less oil, you have to be careful that your oil should be completely there. So this way you can make two puja ki thalis any way you want to make. You want to make half like this, or you want to make complete with kumkum. Okay, so kids, do share your comments. Do let us know how you have liked it. It was pretty simple. You can easily make it. Instead of kumkum, you can use rangoli colors. So it's time to say bye, and do share your pictures. Do share your feedback. Thank you for watching this video. Love from Shipra. Happy Navratras to all of you.